Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is how to turn a crash investigation into felony charges. Let's get into the video.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a motor vehicle collision. Upon arrival, officers made contact with the at-fault driver, later identified as a 49-year-old female named Carrie.
Were you able to find it?
What I'm looking for now is I'm just thinking, like, even though it may be outdated, you can still, I mean, still have the, it would be still the correct, number, correct? Like, so.
Let me look at it. Is this it?
I just can't believe it. Somebody just hit me and wasn't even didn't have insurance, didn't have a job.
And you have insurance with Progressive?
Yes, sir.
This policy's on here.
I know the date probably old as but what I'm saying is that's my fault. Like, I don't.
You're not able to bring it up on your phone?
Yeah, I can.
If you need to do that, you can do that.
Okay. That's what I've been doing. Okay, all right. So you want my
Yeah, the sheet.
Insurance. Okay.
Yeah. I can write it down if that's easier.
98. 10
Noise.
341 clean.
I don't even know my key driver. That's driving me nuts. I don't know.
Yeah, this one's expired. I just needed the updated one. You
No. What I meant was it's old. That's what I meant. I didn't mean to say expired. I mean, I guess it is expired if it's this old. But I meant to say that I've had the same.
How about I give this to her? You want me to do that?
Yeah. That's
her
yeah.
policy. Hang on a second, man. She's having issues too, but she did give me this. She's working on getting it out of her phone, but this is her policy number.
Let's see.
Give me a few minutes, okay? I'll be right back. Who you got to come get you?
Why was someone needed to get you?
Have you been drinking?
No, it's not like that. My mother is.
Because I don't think you're that intoxicated, but if you have been drinking, I need you to have somebody come get you. You understand me?
I understand what you're saying, but you understand, I'm very sad. Okay, my mother last night asked me, was I gay or was I straight? I cried all night. If I look crazy, that's why I cried all night about that. This morning, she went to church, she came back, and then this whole thing happened, and then you gotta remember, I can't even think about the last time I hit someone. I hit her. She didn't hit me, I hit her. And so, this is what.
She doing too much yapping. The cop said, yo, can you get somebody? Yeah, I can get somebody to come get me, and I will be out of there. Gone, you hear me?
I agreed that I was gonna. My insurance company was like, okay, well, you can do the deductible and we'll get it done. And I'm like, I'm not paying $1,000. That's my deductible. It was $900 to get something to fix it. I can get it for $400.
Okay. You got your driver's license with you?
I do.
We're just having an issue with the insurance, so it might be quicker if I just work a crash.
Yes. Please, I'm not a bad person, man.
I didn't say you're a bad person. Private security license.
Oh.
Is this your Texas license?
No, I just came from a job interview. Sorry. No. You know what I mean? I just came from a job.
This has your name on here, so I'll take that.
But I just came from a job interview. That's
okay.
why. But no. I want you to see my driver's license.
154.
Is there another unit available?
What do you mean, is there another unit?
I just need some help. I'm doing a crash report. Yeah, Temple.
Please don't take me to jail.
Take you to jail for what? I'm trying to work a crash.
No,
okay?
I know, but I've been doing it. I'm 50 years old. I've been in this field since 1998. I know the words and the.
You've been in what field?
Law enforcement.
Okay. You work. What do you do in law enforcement?
158 Charlie Bravo.
I've worked with the security, if you just would have looked at the thing, I'm armed secured. I've been, I worked with the morgue.
What are you looking for now?
I'm not looking for nothing. You already have it.
Okay, well, you remember we don't have the updated insurance because the one you showed me was expired.
Yeah, but I just left an interview. So I'm not looking for that. It's not in there.
Okay.
That.
I got your license. I need registration insurance now.
All right. But we gave her the.
That was a paper document with a policy number on there. Hey, ma'am, can you hang on a second?
The policy number is fine, please. Policy number is fine.
Okay.
I'll take her to your amount.
Alrighty.
I just got to Florida, dude. Like, I don't know.
Okay.
I'll take her.
Alrighty. Well, I'm going to have you and her just step over here while I work on the crash, okay? Because you said something about being armed security. I don't know if there's any weapons in the vehicle. Could you just step out for me?
496, I'm back to the front station.
I don't have any weapons in the vehicle.
Okay, I just want you out of the car like you were when I got here.
I don't have a job.
297.
So I'm looking for a job.
Okay, I
That's what I've
understand
been doing
that.
is looking for a job for security. I just left the airport. I mean,
Did you come back from a flight or something?
where's my phone? And I went and got this at my phone. I used to have a magnet there, so I put that there. But anyway, you don't care.
I'm listening to you.
I know you are. I don't have any glasses.
You need glasses?
I wear glasses, yes.
Where are your glasses at?
At home.
Are you supposed to be wearing glasses while you drive?
No, this has just recently happened.
Okay.
Babe, I'm
That's why I'm asking you.
I'm saying I understand what you're saying, but like I'm just in March I'll turn 50. One day, dude, like a few months ago, one day I just was like looking and I was like, so I haven't. Keep living, and you'll see. One day you won't be able to. I mean, I don't want to put that on you, but I'm just saying.
Well, here, do me a favor. Let's quit sitting on her car.
Oh, she's
Well, I need you to stand up, please. Thank you.
Do you need something?
I'm like going in my car.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Can you step out for me, please?
I'm just staying.
No,
Get
you're
your
not.
hands
Get
off
out
me.
of the vehicle.
Don't do that. Don't do
Get out
that.
of the vehicle.
Don't do that. I'm just
We're
getting in
done
my
with the
car.
crash
I'm not going
investigation,
anywhere. Take my
and I'm
keys.
going to conduct a DUI.
Why are you guys gonna words?
I did, and you ignored me. Ma'am.
Are you willing to perform
I'm
physical
not. You asked me late. Get off my head. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. That's why y'all always go to my. You know what? I don't even have a weapon. What
You
the
don't-
off my ring?
Ain't nobody trying to get your ring.
15410.
Ma'am, did I hit? You see this? You see how they do black people? You see this? I did nothing. Did I have a weapon in my hand? Did I do anything?
See, that's why I said I would have got that Uber and got missing, left my information, boom, boom. But the more she talked, the more he kept asking questions, the more she kept slurring her words, the more you could just tell. And it was a wrap. It was a wrap. Do you have someone that? Oh yeah, I do. I don't have anybody, but I got Uber right here. I could call my ride right now. I would have been. Oh yeah, gone. Oh, can I leave my car here? I could come pick it up later, tomorrow or something. Oh yeah, I would have been out of there. You hear me? Like what? You want to sit there and politic with the cop, and the whole time he looking at you like. He looking at them eyes. That slurred speech. Seeing if your story add up. Oh, you did armed security. Oh, now I'm in fear of my life. Can you step out? Because you mentioned something about armed security. So you may have some weapons on you. You know what I'm saying? Yo, when you under the influence, you ain't getting a hint. This ain't got nothing to do with being black, white, or purple, or pink. It don't matter, okay? You jammed up. That's it. You messed up. That's it.
No, I'm asking you the truth. Did you see that, right? I did nothing. Get him out. Get the... 136. You got stronger. Get stronger. Go ahead, get stronger. Go ahead, do it harder. Do it harder. Go ahead, do it harder. Come on. Put some bruises on me.
Come on. Hey, listen to me. Get in the car.
I'm not listening to shit.
Get in the car. You're under arrest for resisting, okay? I told you to get back in the car. Get in the car.
Shit. I want you to shoot me. Kill me, motherfucker. Shoot me. I want to be on the news with one of them motherfuckers. Whatever. Yeah, some ass motherfucker. Get it. What? I'm going to jail for what? I don't care.
All right. Resisting with...
Resisting the West.
No. Hey, it's resisting with violence. She just kicked me.
In the end, Carrie was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, reckless driving, and DUI with property damage. She pled no contest and entered a pre-trial diversion program. If you like this video and want to see more...
Yeah, that's crazy. She said she want to be on the news. She said she want to be like one of them that be on the news. That's crazy. That was a crazy statement. I'm not gonna lie to you at all. Like, that was insane. Yeah, man. Unfortunately, you know, people just be crashing out and they don't know how to deal with police. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I think that should be a part of, you know, maybe getting your driver's license and stuff. Like, you should know how to deal with cops and police. I would have called that Uber so fast and would have been gone. Where you ain't have none of your paperwork together, nothing. An old policy number. Where's your driver's license? You giving a security badge? Like, security is not law enforcement. Like, come on. Like, I was a security guard when I was younger. Like, I would never sit there and tell a cop, oh, I was in law enforcement and you a security guard. Like, come on. That is not, no. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my security guards and stuff. But, you know, it's just, that's not it. Because that's why he started fishing. He was like, oh, what did you do in law enforcement? To try and see, are you going to impersonate a police officer or something? Like, that's what he was getting at, man. That was crazy. That's a crazy situation. Anyway, I think the cops did all right. You know, regular stuff, 3 out of 5, you know, regular. Nothing too crazy. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.